So in this video, I'll be showing you how to turn screen auto rotate on or off on the Samsung Galaxy A06. So the first step is to swipe down for the quick settings panel. Then from here, you should see your screen auto rotate button. If it's currently disabled, then you should read the option portrait. So all you need to do is simply tap on that portrait option to enable auto rotate. So you'll also notice the icon has turned white and it's changed to auto rotate. So from here, you now want to go and open an app to try the auto rotate option. So say for example, you're in your gallery and you want to browse in landscape mode. So grab your phone and simply switch to landscape. Then from here, you can now start using your phone in landscape mode. Again, this applies to other apps that you currently have on your phone. For example, the Play Store. You can launch it like that. Switch to landscape mode just as fast with the auto rotate option. So from here, you can browse through the different apps and install them onto your phone, all in the comfort of you using it in landscape mode. Alternatively, if you want to disable the auto rotate feature, then just swipe down for the quick settings panel, tap on that auto rotate button to turn it off, so it should switch to portrait. Then from here, no matter how many times you try putting your phone in landscape mode, your phone won't switch to landscape. It will stay in portrait mode. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below and we'll get back to you.